Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my WP Content Factory review demo and $2,779 bonus. Now, this is an amazing product if you have a website or if you want to start making money as a freelancer and you don't really have a lot of time to invest into it. Okay, so essentially how it works, this new plugin generates fresh content for you. Okay, so articles, blog posts, whatever you need, and you can use it on your own site. And obviously if you want to rank your sites in Google, you need fresh content every single day, or you can just sell that content on sites like Fiverr or anywhere else, and you can make tons of cash this way as well. So I have a huge almost $3,000 bonus to it, but before, let me share my screen and let's jump into this WP Content Factory review. And even before I'm going to show the sales page, I just wanted to show you how much people are actually charging for articles and blog posts on Fiverr. And obviously Fiverr is the cheapest freelancing website out there. If you're gonna go to Freelancer or Upwork or any other of these big freelancing websites, you can probably charge at least double. Okay, so I just went to the articles and blog post category, and as you can see, we have 14 euro here, which is like $18, 29, 33, 38, and as you can see, people are selling hundreds of these gigs. So 100 sold here, 600 here, 300 here, almost 500 here. So anywhere from $20 to $50 per article. And keep in mind, these people are writing it manually, and this is actually how I got started online. I was charging I believe it was $5 per 100 words, and I was writing everything manually, which was taking a lot of time. Okay, but with the WP Content Factory plugin, you can essentially come up with content on the spot in a matter of seconds, and it is all done for you automatically. Okay, so again, Fiverr is just one of these places where you can sell this content, and obviously if you have a website in any niche, you need fresh content every single day, and it takes time to write content. I know, because I'm writing content for you guys almost every single day, and it takes me hours every single day. So with that being said, let's check out the sales page. And as you can see, it says, attention all marketers, profitable content maker, new WordPress plugin creates recession-proof affiliate sites that get free Google traffic and sales in 60 seconds using fresh content. So you're going to be able to create multiple profitable affiliate sites. Perfect for beginners, no boring tasks and no content writing, any niche, self-growing sites, and you're going to be seeing results in 24 hours. Okay, so let's scroll down. Obviously, Igor, the guy behind this product, has tons of proof. He tested it, he uses this himself. He creates tons of websites. As you can see, we got some testimonials right here. And WP Content Factory, that's the name of this new product. So again, automated fresh content, free traffic from search engines, and you're going to be turning traffic into profits. Some more testimonials, 3 simple steps, rinse and repeat. And Igor and Amit, these are the two guys behind this new product. And as you can see, we will have 2 different prices. So single site license is $16, multi-site is $17. So only $1 extra for the multi-site, and obviously you're gonna get a 30 days money back guarantee. That's essentially it. And let's check out the inside of the members area. So this is actually a plugin, so you're gonna have to install it on a website. But the cool thing is that if you're gonna get the unlimited size license, you can actually install it on your customer's website. So you don't need a website to make money with this, but obviously if you do have a website, it is an amazing plugin to work with. So I'm inside here. As you can see, I have it installed already on this website. As you can see, we have support, so we can create a ticket right from within the software. We have the video training, so we're going to visit the training section. So as you can see, we have all the video training right here. So how to add the channel watcher, how to add an RSS feed if you want to do it as well, and how to add integrations, and we can integrate it with YouTube, Flickr, Twitter, eBay, and a bunch of additional websites. So this is the video training. Let me go back and let's see all the rest. So that's the dashboard. Let's click on integrations, and as you can see, again, we have YouTube, we have Amazon, we have Flickr, Facebook, Twitter, CareerJeet. This is easy in articles as well, eBay and ClickBank. So very, very useful. Then we have channel watcher. So this is where you can get the content from and then spin it. Okay, so obviously this can be a YouTube channel, it can be an Instagram channel, it can be a Twitter user, it can be, you know, Vimeo, Amazon, it can be anything that you essentially find online for content. Okay, so that's the channel watcher. RSS feeder. As you can see, we have a bunch of different RSS feeds. So we have digital trends, digital agency network, and gaming. And obviously you can create a new RSS feed or find an existing one and use it as well. And the cool part right now, text spin settings. So essentially what this plugin does is it finds the content online and it will spin it for you, which means that it will make it unique. So obviously you can rewrite any text yourself, but again, it will take you probably at least an hour to create a 1000 word article, or you can just click a few buttons and have a unique spinned article ready to rock for you. And as you can see, we have the text quality right here, so it can be more unique, less readable, normal, or less unique, more readable. Okay, so we have the spin rewriter email right here, the spin rewriter API key, and that's all you need. Okay, so again, going back to the dashboard, you can start creating these articles and blog posts in a matter of seconds. You can just keep on posting new fresh content every single day, every single minute if you want to. And again, you can use it on your own sites, or you can sell this content and make money this way as well. Okay, so guys, that's the insight. There's not much more than what I just showed you. It's a super simple idea. Essentially, the content is done for you, and then you can monetize it in any way you want. Now, let's check out all of the upsells. And as you can see, the main product is $22. This is the price after the launch. Okay, so as we saw, it was $16 or $17 for a single site license or a multi-site license, but this is the early bird discount, and after the initial launch period, the price will go up to $22. Audio number one is $37, and this is the plus version, which means you're going to get 5 additional content sources plus developer rights. Okay, so with the main product, you're going to get 12 content sources, and if you want 5 additional one, that's Audio number one. Audio number two, $197, and this is a done for you service where these guys will build 10 ready-made websites with content included for you. Okay, so then obviously you can do whatever you want with these websites. You can use them for traffic, you can use them to make money passively with AdSense, you can flip these websites on Flippa or wherever else you want to sell them, and that's Audio number two. Audio number three, $67. This is Content Lab, premium content generation web app. Okay, so obviously you'll be able to generate tons of content, but if you want to maybe charge people for a premium quality content, that's this upsell right now, $67. And the last upgrade is Audio number four, resellers license to WP Content Factory, $297, but this allows you to sell WP Content Factory as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel, so all 5 products. Okay, so guys, these are the upsells, and right now let me show you my blog post I did for you. And by the way, I did all of this manually, and it took me around an hour just to write everything up. So I have a funnel breakdown right here, and I have all of my bonuses. Okay, so first of all, let me mention to you that WP Content Factory goes live at 10 a.m. Eastern on March 26th. And if you want to get all of these bonuses I'm about to mention, all you have to do is pick it up from my link. And to pick it up from my link, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you are watching on YouTube, click the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you a custom-made bonus I made especially for this promotion, how to set up your first website. Okay, so I know that some of you guys don't have a website yet, and it can be a little bit overwhelming, so that's why I prepared a PDF that shows you exactly how to go from zero to actually have a functioning website, so you can install WP Content Factory on it. Okay, so this is a custom-made bonus, how to set up your first website, and I'm also going to give you a freelancing Bible. Okay, so this is everything you need to know about freelancing. So if you want to use this content to sell on sites like Fiverr or Upwork or any other freelancing websites, this is the guide that you want to go through first. Now, I'm also going to give you 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses. So again, selling on Fiverr, Everything you need to know is inside these courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. And I'm also going to give you some additional W's of the Day awarded products: Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me for flipping websites and other stuff, Flip Me Income Booster, free Flip Me Reseller's License, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Case Study on Free Traffic, and additional plugins. Okay, so you're gonna get Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar plugin, and short code Call to Action, and also Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Azen Press, Face Zone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and Courses plugin. Now I'm not done, because on top of all this you are getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, which means that you are getting a total of $2,797 worth of bonuses from me. Again, all of this for free, just as a thank you for picking up WP Content Factory through my link. And again, to pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or that's the first link in the description from YouTube. And as always, guys, I have a full written review if you like to read my content apart of watching this review video. And this will include this little sum up right here. So just to sum up this WP Content Factory, you will be able to create multiple profitable affiliate sites. It's perfect for beginners, no boring tasks or content writing. You can choose any niche you like, self-growing sites with free daily traffic. You'll be able to see results in 24 hours. You can use this for yourself or your clients. And obviously, even if you don't have a website, you can sell it. You can sell content on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Now, what I don't like about WP Content Factory, the only thing that I thought about, is that you need a WordPress site for it. Okay, so that's the only negative. I know that some of you guys out there don't have a site yet, but with that being said, I'm giving you this first bonus right here to show you exactly how to create your first website from scratch. So, that's my free bonus again. Now, guys, before you go, let me show you how to claim this $3,000 bonus. After you'll decide to pick up WP Content Factory through my link, all you have to do is go to your Warrior Plus purchase history. So click on your icon right here in the top right corner, go to purchase history, find WP Content Factory, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. So you don't have to send me emails or receipts. This is all done for you automatically. And again, just do me a favor, go to Fiverr, see how much people are charging for fresh content, because I know people that have hundreds of sites and they need fresh content every single day, and obviously they can't write it themselves. And this is where you come in, and you can charge them money, or you can just create sites for yourself and make money passively as well. So again, WP Content Factory goes live today. That's the 26th of March at 10 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to pick it up from my link if you will, to get all of these bonuses. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section under this YouTube video. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you very shortly in the next review video. Ciao.